Hey everyone, welcome back to Micro Investor, where we talk about many different cryptocurrencies every day, do technical analysis and price prediction. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about Polygon, also known as MATIC. So what's currently going on with Polygon? It is trading within this 50% Fibonacci level right now. We're really working on trying to get above that 38% level. And I'm thinking that we're going to probably see some pretty good price pumps as we do start to power through that. Now we are using Fibonacci retracement tool from that 52-week low that we had with Polygon in mid-June, where the price was at around 31 cents, and it went up in a 5-wave impulse to the upside to this point here with this wave 5. It is in mid-August where we had the price of Polygon go to around $1.05, and then we saw the price then start to retrace those gains, which it came down within. It's coming down within this wave B right now, and we can also find a ABC correction within this wave right now as well. So if we were to call that an ABC, and what we have going on now is we are hopefully working on our C wave, our much larger C impulse. So I think that we're going to be seeing this scenario here play out, where this C wave is going to have a lot behind it to really pump through these Fibonacci levels. Now we're right into this neutral zone here, right into that bull market support band that I think that we're going to just start pumping through these Fibonacci levels. And we'll get right up to where we want to be within this bullish price zone here. I think that we're going to more so hit it within more of like this trajectory right here. At some point, we're going to start pumping through, and probably even 5 waves within the C wave. We might see that a 5-wave impulse to the upside within it, and that would be a much larger, a part of a much larger impulse that we would have. So if we were going to look at it as this being a wave 1, wave 2, and then a large wave 3 in a 5-wave impulse that would take us up much higher and go back and really start to retrace all this stuff. But I'm thinking our wave C could be something that can go out pretty long, go into possibly mid-November or even to early December, depending on how much the price does go up from there, because of course I expect a big bull run that's going to start here any time, because we're already seeing a lot of cryptocurrencies start to transition above this bull market support band. So we've had MATIC make some attempts, and it just hasn't really managed to do such too well within the daily chart, as you can see. So if it was to go up, it's only managed to stay above that for just a couple days. And I think that this next time that it does make it above it, that will be the one that will have that staying power and be able to continue moving up from there. So even though I can't confirm that we've completed our wave B and are within a wave C, what has my interest and makes me think that this has happened is this Fibonacci level, as these candlesticks are much larger, trying to pump through this level. And also the consolidation that we're seeing, and how this is within a trend that we have made. So if we are to look at this, and you can see that we are working on a triangular pattern, even though it's really hard to see that on the daily chart. You know, when you change it to these smaller charts, like the 4-hour chart, you can get a better understanding of how these little price movements actually do show some sort of pattern. And that's what we're seeing here on the 4-hour chart. You can see that we are working on a triangular pattern, and then at some point we will break out of this and break through that Fibonacci level. Hopefully that's how it's going to play out. And I expect that to be a pretty nice pump when that does, just assuming off of how much there was when it did fall through that Fibonacci level. So anyways, that's what I think we're currently doing with Polygon. We're working on a wave C, and that's going to have some pretty good upside that is going to break through this $1.05 price as that wave C does finish. And I'm thinking that could go up much higher, possibly even to a price of possibly $1.50, $1.60. Who knows exactly where that's going to go? And I think that's going to lead us into the month of November, or even longer than that. So this is going to be more than likely a very long wave C, in my opinion. So anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. What do you guys think we're going to be seeing with Polygon? Do you guys think that there's that possibility that this wave C is going to be a big breakout wave going through the months of October and November, I would like to know. With that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time, and I'll be sure to update you on many more cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching.